What's going on YouTube? Just got this today, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Shout out to everyone at the Roger store that helped me get this. Thank you very much. You know who you are. I really do appreciate it. Thank you once again. So going around, see it says iPhone on the back of the information. The other side says iPhone, the front, the bottom with the Apple, and the top with the Apple. I got the 64 gig easy pull tab here, so you just pull. Don't need this. We're gonna get rid of that. Put that back here for now. There it is. We're gonna open it up. Okay. Right there, it looks really nice, like a frosted kind of look. Now Apple this year has decided to take off the back plastic. Doesn't exist on the iPhone when it comes to shipping. It's only got it on the front here, which we'll take off in a minute. We're just going to set the iPhone here for a moment. Look at the rest of the stuff inside. Designed by Apple in California, of course. Manufactured in China. Bonjour, we are in Canada, so French and English. Hello. I just realized that's upside down. I'm sorry. Pair of Apple stickers. And that is it for what's in there. Put that neatly inside for a minute. Take a look at what else we have. We have the Apple EarPods, standard wired edition. The new USB-C to Lightning cable. It's supposed to charge your phone much faster. And the new 18 watts power brick. Considerably much bigger than the previous one. I think I have the previous one here. I just have on my nightstand. So comparison-wise, much bigger. Thicker, of course, but for obviously the charged power that you're getting out of it on this one instead of this one, this is nothing. Now the iPhone 11 is coming with this. The Pro series is coming with this. So that's also one of the trade-offs for the 11. And inside, that's it for what's there. So we'll put this back here for now while we take a look at the actual phone, because I'm sure that's what everybody here wants to see. So once again, this is like a frosted kind of coating. Very nice. Time to take this off. I really don't want to, but I love that sound. Now that will leave in there. And that is it right there. I don't think this is going to be a fingerprint magnet, but at the same time, I am still going to put a case over it because the last thing I want to do is destroy this brand new phone. So that is it for the unboxing of this. Thank you very much for watching. Sorry, it's been forever that I've actually uploaded a video. But thank you to everyone that does watch. I appreciate it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.